Rekey Your Locks, Prime Line E2402 Rekeying Kit allows you to rekey all your locks to one pre-cut key. Note: this kit is not designed to rekey locks to any other existing key, but rather only to the pre-cut keys included with each kit. Includes: REKEY Lock Kit includes 3 pre-cut keys, pins, special tools and simple-to-follow instructions. For pin-style locks, Rekeying Kit works for Schlage brand locks, C5 pin style. Easy installation: rekeying your locks is easy with this kit, even a novice can complete the DIY task. Rekeying Kit requires original key to lock being rekeyed as part of the rekeying process. For all dimensional information, please refer to the line art and compare to your needs before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Fast and easy. I quickly rekeyed 6 deadbolts with this kit, avoiding the hassle and expense of a locksmith. Read the directions and watch the video. I had never rekeyed a lock before, and sure enough, on the first lock, pins and springs went flying because I rushed into the project without understanding exactly how lock is structured. I had to replace the top pins and springs, which is something you only want to do once in your life. After I knew what to expect, the remaining locks were fast and easy. Very glad I did not call a locksmith.